Welcome to the last part of our Incoterms journey, right here on Consult Kriba. Now it's time for action. Let's see how you can use Incoterms in every export, and how our reverse sourcing method makes the whole process safe and smooth. Step 1. Do your homework. Before you quote any price, check what Incoterms are common for your product and market. For example, buyers in Europe may want CIF or DAP for big machines. Step 2. Have a reliable CH8 logistics network. Having the right logistics partners is crucial to export success. Though there are online freight service providers, ensure that your logistics partner has the right license and experience. Step 3. Make your quote. When you give a price, write the Incoterm and the place. Like FOB Chennai or CIF Dubai Port. List all the costs you'll cover for that term, like transport to the port for FOB, or insurance for CIF. Step 4. Talk it out. Your buyer may ask for a different Incoterm. If you're not ready for it, explain and offer something safer. Clear talk builds trust. Step 5. Sign smart. When you agree on a deal, put the Incoterm in the contract, invoice, and all papers. Be extra clear about when ownership and payment shift. These small things save big troubles later. Step 6. Arrange the shipment. Now, follow what you promised. If you chose FOB, get the goods to the ship and get proof. For CIF, buy insurance in the buyer's name. For DAP or DDP, make sure you have good partners in the other country. Step 6. After shipment. Keep talking to your buyer. Send them shipping documents through the proper channel. Tell them when the cargo will arrive and what they need to do next. If there's a problem, check the Incoterm to see whose job it is to fix it. Now, here's how the reverse sourcing method, RSM, helps. Before you quote, our RSM checklist reminds you of all the special rules you need to check for your product and market. Our pricing tools help you include every cost, so you never underquote. We give you ready-made scripts to explain Incoterms to buyers and handle tough talks. RSM's network connects you with trusted shipping and customs partners, so you can offer CIF, DAP, or even DDP safely. Our compliance alerts keep you up to date on customs and rules. No more last-minute shocks. Let me share our exporter's success. One of our exporters was scared to try anything beyond FOB. With Consult Kriba's RSM help, he tried CIF for a small order. It went smoothly. Soon, he was confidently using DAP and winning more clients, all because he knew what to expect, how to price, and had the right partners. So, what are the golden rules? Always put the right Incoterm in every quote. Pick a term you can handle, don't overpromise. Know your costs. Use clear contracts and documents. Build a network, or use RSM, to handle complex terms. Stay alert and updated. If you follow these, 90% of export headaches will simply disappear. Exporting doesn't have to be scary. With the right rules, tools, and support, every business can go global and win. That's what we do at Consult Kriba. We help you at every step, so you can export with confidence and keep growing. If you want to know more, or need any export help, visit consultkriba.com. The world is waiting for your products, let's make sure you reach it, the smart way. Happy exporting!